Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you about my favorite e-commerce platform that I have been working with for many years and with which I make about $75,000 a year. In this short video, I will show you a few life hacks that few people know about and that make it truly one of the best in the best e-commerce category. Let's not waste time and get started.
Hello, UltraCart has every feature built into your online store. It's super handy. I tested this service on my own experience and was very pleased. UltraCart is a quirky yet highly customizable PCI-enabled web store platform for the more experienced user. The service lets you get started quickly with a small set of professional designed responsive themes, each of which can be previewed before getting started. The original themes can be changed in the UltraCart editor. Experts can go much further by collapsing into templates and directly editing the site's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. The UltraCart product catalog supports both physical and digital items. A long list of reporting and analytics tools are always on hand to help you understand how your business is performing. UltraCart's pricing starts with a fancy 1-year free plan, but there are many features that can be regarded as premium with other services. Sales support, estimated shipping rates, customer reviews, coupons, email integration, even a free SSL certificate. There are several other plans ranging from $49.95 per month for small businesses to $499.95 for an enterprise-level industrial grade that supports up to $500,000 per month. As an example, using the most popular mid-range UltraCart plan as an example, it increases limits to 1,000 products, 3 GB bandwidth, and $100,000 monthly income, and allows you to sell through Amazon, eBay, and Google products. UltraCart offers a free 15-day trial with no credit card details required, and the simple registration process ensures it's super easy to get started. UltraCart's web console is colorful and pretty, but it's also absolutely packed with panels and options. Take a moment to research and you will find UltraCart is easier to use than it sounds. The UltraCart Getting Started panel takes an interesting wizard-based approach to help you create your store. For example, you don't need to set up a complete online store. We chose the full online store, and after a few seconds we looked through the tree of our site pages. There are similar usability issues all over the world, even in the most basic of a website. If you can live with such troubles, you have some interesting cool features. Once you have a good idea of the look and feel of your store, the UltraCart Item Manager lets you create a product catalog. Fortunately, setting up your payments seems easier. Business management. UltraCart's documentation suggests that its robust back-office systems are one of the most powerful features of the product, and the company just might make sense. As with any other UltraCart feature, this is not intended for ease of use. The dashboard displays simple statistics and performance charts for your store, but there is a more customizable set of reports available if you're looking for more information. Check the UltraCart documentation for a full list. At a minimum, you can click a report, select the date range along with a few other details, and view the results. If you run into difficulties, there is a fair amount of web documentation available, although we suspect some of it is a little out of date. We noticed a page or two with broken image links. Two aspects of the UltraCart system make it stand out when you're trying to figure out which solution to choose for your online store. First of all, UltraCart support is great. Each area of the backend editor is covered with an in-depth video tutorial that you can search and filter on your own vacation. Not to mention, you get access to a forum as well as email and phone support. Oh yes, and the support team is experienced and entirely based in the United States, so your questions are answered by experts who can reach out to the person next to them if they need help. The second part that sets UltraCart apart is the price. As we said above, you don't need to confuse the App Store with UltraCart, as everything is included in your plan. In addition, the most popular plan is about half the price of the most popular plans of other solutions.